Okay, guys, totally freaking out right now. I'm super excited. I don't know if I've ever told you, but when I discover something new that is super duper cool and super duper easy and makes our lives a lot better, I get nerd chills. I just discovered something that I'm obsessed with. And so I didn't plan on showing you guys anything else, but because I ran into this, I'm going to show it to you. And I think you're going to use it and I think you're going to love it. So I just ran across two resources. One is called Cool Text and the other is called Flaming Text Maker. Basically, these are resources that you can use to make your text look really cool. So let me show you. I think this is the Flaming Text Maker. Yes, I will put the links in your. I'll put them somewhere in the slideshow. But let me show you how they work real quick. So my website, Bulldogs, okay? Old English Bulldog. Type it in there. I'm going to hit get started. Then it is just going to throw up a bunch of different options of cool texts that I can use. So I can even hit next. You can see that the options are abundant. Look at how flipping cool this is. Obsession. All right, so let's say I'm going to pick one. Let's say I like this first guy. Click it. Okay. There it is, just as is. But that's not it. They're going to give you more options. So again, you can continue to search. I'm not going to waste your time by doing a bunch of searching, but you can continue to search if you would like. You can hit edit logo here, and that will allow you to make specific changes, such as the font size, or you could change the actual font itself. I'm not going to do a whole ton because, again, I don't want to waste too much of your time. You guys will have to figure this out on your own. You could go to advanced. I don't even know what all these options are. You would have to search them. But look, you can change colors, you can change it to a pattern, you can change it to a gradient. Holy cow, this is amazing. Anyways, take some time to kind of play around with this. And actually, let me do this real quick. Actually, yeah, pause me. I want you to either go to Cool Text. Actually, just do Flaming Text Maker for now. Go to the Flaming Text Maker, Google it. You should be able to find it. I will also put the link on the slide so you can just click it if you need to. Go ahead and design a header. Let's say this is a title or something to a section. So design it and get to the point where you're done, and I'll show you what I want you to do. So pause me now and do that. Okay, so when you get to the point where you're at the end, you're at the done here, you're going to simply hit download. This is so easy. I love it. Download. There it goes. Go to your website. I don't care where. Again, this practice website isn't going to look very good, but let's go ahead and insert it somewhere. I'm on my care page. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to be inserting an image. It's not text, it's an image because they saved it as a GIF, I believe. So I hit images over here. I'm going to hit upload. And then it should be in your downloads. Notice mine's called Cool Logo, whatever. There it is. It's on December 1st at 1:41. That's the one. Click it. I'm going to hit open. Bam! Look at that, guys. Ah! New obsession. So go ahead now, go over to that images up here and upload your flaming text or your cool text into your website. Pause me now and do that. I'm going to go up here now because that's pretty boring. I'm going to hit delete. I'm going to take this guy, put it up here. I don't know. Let me see if I can format this. Okay, so I was able to format it a little bit, maybe not as much as I would have liked, but if I click it and then I drag, make it bigger, you just have to kind of play around with it a little bit. Ooh, I didn't realize that if I kept dragging, it would make my video smaller. Okay. Okay. Pause me now and format your cool text or your flaming text. Format that. Pause me. You might want to try both the cool text and the flaming text maker. You also want to make sure you remember them because guess what? It's not just for Google Sites. I tried it in Word. So these were two that I made. This one, the LMJH one, I made using the cool text one. This one I made using the flaming text one. So you can use it in PowerPoint, Word, Google Slides, Google Docs. It's amazing. So excited for this. Okay. Now I should officially be done. And now you should be officially starting your birthday website. So go on to the next slide and it'll start to give you a breakdown of what I want to see. And you better be using this new stuff in your final websites. All right.